Welcome to the 16-bit brewery. We've got another Beer 52 unboxing video today. Just arrived, so happy days. But before we do that, I just want to mention this stout I had last night. That was in my box about a month ago or so. Really nice. Probably one of the best stouts I've ever had. But what I really liked about this, if you can see there, actually tells you everything that's in it. All the yeast, the hops, the malts. It was really fantastic. That's called Don't Break the Oat. If you want to see more of my sort of mini beer reviews, I suppose, I'm on Untapped as J Smith 360. That's Jay Smith 360. But here we are, Beer 52 unboxing. Let's see what we got. Right. Well, very well packed as always. Box of stuff. Let's have a look. What's in here? Oh, we've got pita chips. Little beer snack. We had those last time. Very nice. What we got here? Advertising rubbish. Oh, that's quite nice. A little beer mat from Paloozy. Never heard of them, but happy days. Rubbish, and more junk really. So never mind. Anything else in there? No. Right. So what we got here? We got some very well packed beers as always. So let's dive in and see what we got first. We have got a bottle of Jarl. Can't say I've ever heard of that one before. And that is by Fine Ales of Scotland. So that's good. Got a can of Jackhammer by Brewdog. Had that before. Very nice. Enjoy it. Brewdog is one of my favourite breweries. Although I do think the Punk IPA has maybe gone downhill a bit recently. I don't know, maybe it's because all the supermarkets are getting it now. It's more mass produced, but it just doesn't taste as good as it used to. But never mind. We've got Black Isles Organic Blonde. See that one there? Look forward to having that one. Happy days. And we've got another Woo-Ha Brewing Company Lager. Don't mind lagers, don't drink them as much as I used to. We've got Rothammer Brave Red Ale. I've had several Rothammer beers from Beer 52. So what we got next? Radical Road. Can't say I've ever heard of it, but there you go. And what's next? We've got a bottle of Palooza, which I guess was that beer mat I had earlier. Once again, don't know anything about them, so there's something good in it. Next we've got a can of Brewgood's Clearwater Lager. See that one there? So another lager. What else we got here? We got a Embra by Stewart Brewing. Embra. So we'll have that one later. What's the last one we got here? It's Black Isle Scotland Organic Red Kite. So that's that one there. And we've got, as always, our latest issue of Ferment. Good magazine, a beer write-up about these beers in there, I should imagine. Yeah, there we go. What we're drinking at the moment, and there they all are. So there's that. Anything else in there? No, that is it. So there you go. That's that. These are the beers. Like I say, if you want to follow me on Untapped, it's J Smith 360, and I'll just rate them out of 5. And I'll tell you a bit more about them as and when I try it. Well, in my next video, if I think anything outstanding, I'll tell you about it. So until then, ciao for now.